Hey, what's good YouTube? Instructify here. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make your builds indestructible in Fortnite Creative. Alright, so as you can see right here, I can break the builds here. But when I change the settings, right, it's going to make it so it's indestructible. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is press escape. In here, you want to press island settings. In island settings, go to player. In player, scroll all the way down. After you come all the way down, you want to change these two settings right here. So the first one is going to be all, right? So all you want to do is change it to player build only, right? And the second one, you want to change the structural damage, right? It's also going to be on all, right? So all you want to do is change it to enemy and self build. Okay, now you don't gotta do anything. It's gonna save for yourself. So when I escape, right, and I start the game, right, you can see you can't break it anymore. It's indestructible now. If this video helped you guys, make sure you guys like and comment down below if you need any more help.